This will be one of the elevators at see if it works. The hospital, whatever the frick it's called.
Going up.
I believe we have ourselves a Pittsburgh elevator from 1939, 1940. So let's take this up. Head indicator might be original. I think this building might be abandoned. No. Isn't that bell?
Floor 5.
5. As you can see, this floor I think is completely abandoned. Can we go down to the fallout shelter in the sub-basement? No. Guess not. Love that bell. By the looks of this, it was probably modded, like with a slap-on mod in probably either the 90s or 2000s. It's got a talky voice. So let's go. Can we go down? No. Let's go back up to 5 again. Okay, elevator A, I think. I need to use the bathroom. Fuck, man. Whoa.
Floor 5.
Okay, let me see. Okay, I guess we'll end it on 1. I might get busted though, but I don't know. Hope there's a bathroom available.
Floor 1.
Okay, and here's the front lobby. As you can see, this place might be I think this place is abandoned. Anyway, there it goes, and that's it.